Today, we are playing Romart Shopping, but in 15 minutes. So, let's begin this game, shall we? So, today we are playing Shopping, but in 15 minutes. So, let's begin this game, shall we? Let's go. So, make sure you subscribe because it's new here. So, today we are shopping in Romart. So, make sure it's subscribe. Forgot to. Hello, guys. Okay guys, let's go begin this game, shall we? So today we are playing Romart Shopping and we are to do is to shop. Yes, it's my first time. It's to in Romart Shopping. Yeah. Let's go here. And make sure you subscribe if you want this to make this into make this into a movie too in DJ films. And I got a new outfit. It's called Radioactive Studio. Yes, I was wearing it because I am Yes, I am working as an actor in Universe Bro. In Universe Madness. So let's begin this game, shall we? Let's go. So very good. And make sure you subscribe if you want me to work.
Use pin pad to complete transaction.
Oh well. Make sure you subscribe if I want it to work. And we're doing it at training in 6 p.m. So make sure you like subscribe. We're doing it at 6 p.m. training in Washies. And make sure you subscribe if I'm gonna make this into a movie. And even to working it. Yeah. So make sure that like and subscribe. So all we need to do is to walk and find. Yeah. So let's see what we have here. First of all, we have Skittles, or it's not again, little gums. What is this? White gums. Let's try that. I like candy. Like subscribe if you love candy. Oh well. Make sure to subscribe if I'm gonna make this into a movie. Coca-Cola. Yeah, Coca-Cola. Let's try Coca-Cola. What's bad for your health? Diet Coke. I'm in the diet, I guess. Bottled water. Yep. Make sure you subscribe if you play this game called Romart or you work this game. It's my first game. What do we have? Walkers? Walkers? What? Vinegar! I hate vinegar. What? I'm getting confused right now, guys. Oh well, let's buy that thing, I guess. So let's see. Yeah. Rainbow belts. Okay, let's buy. Let's see if they got goods on this on the store. Doritos. Let's see what they have. Frosties, Cocoa Pops, BT eggs, bro. Oh. Frosties, bro. I need the Dorito. Oh well, make sure you subscribe if you play State or you work the game. What's this? Nutella. Be ready. Yeah. So, rainbow belts. Make sure you subscribe if I'm gonna make this into a movie. And thank you for 100 subscribers for in Radioactive Studio. So say congratulations for 100 subscribers to Radioactive Studio. And subscribe and make sure you subscribe to Radioactive Studio more for 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 more movies of Radioactive Studios like this. So let's just continue. Stuff area. Let's see. Oh, I can't because I did. Oh yeah, luckily. And make sure to subscribe if I'm gonna make this into a movie. What's this? Chicken dippers. Is it? Let's go to GameStop. Oh, GameStop. Oh, okay, look, they have computers. No, sadly they ran out of computers, guys. So first of all, like make sure to subscribe. We're making this into a movie. And if you hear developers, well, we're making it into a movie. If you've been approved, just like Washi's car wash. Yes. It's called we call the movie the Romart movie. The Romart shopping. Yeah. So make sure you like, subscribe if you're gonna work in this to become one of them. Just like Washi's, but there's no training, hopefully. Hopefully it's easy one of just like Washi's. And we're making a training in we're making it into the training in we're making a training in Dong? What Dong? Wait, there's grapes. Hold up, guys. Grapes, wait, bananas. No, banana. Oh, well. Let's prime. Yes, I never tried priming this. I want the blue raspberry, I guess. What do you have? There we go. Now, we're going to check. Now, so let's get another one. Let's get some more of them. Make sure to subscribe if you play this game. Let's buy another of them. There we go. Now we'll go to proceed checkup. Let's see through my inventory. Is it many, guys? I think it's many. Oh well, it will just afford it. Okay, guys, let's go check out. And later we're going to explore in this. And I don't know what's your HQ, so make sure you like subscribe. Okay, now we'll put everything up this way. Wait, what? It's not working. Guys, what's happening, guys? Hold up, guys. Bro, it's not working. Hold up, guys. First of all, let's like trust me. Wait. Ah, there it is. Place item. Wait. Oh, come on, exactly. There's nothing placing. Oh, okay. Let's place item. Okay. Let's do it. 3. Now we'll get more.
Yung likod mo na naman.
Because beginning, stop it.
Yung likod mo.
Guys, I think I too much it, guys. And developers, I'll make this into a movie. Everyone, if you're a fan of it, we're making it after I release on it, okay? Okay, now we will open. Okay, what's this? Colors. Wait a second, let me see in the inventory. Look, security. Nope, exactly. Wait, where's my thing? Wait, what? Wait, where's my infant? Wait, hold up. So, wait a second. Hold up. Where my phone at? Wait, what? Huh? Hold up, debit card. Bro, wait,
Approval
what?
needed.
I don't get it. Where's my... I got scammed! Bro, hold up. What? I don't get it, guys. Guys! What? Bro, actually scams me. Where's my... Wait, hold up. First of all. Where's my... Where's my item? Where's my item? Guys, what is it? Okay. Where's my item? I give up, guys. What? Bro, I got scammed. Listen, I got scammed by that guy, bro. Where is my item? Hold up. Bro, listen, I'm not a troller, bro. I was trying to raise my items. You scammed me, bro. Please tell me. Where is it? Oh, guys, I got scammed. Guys, I think I got scammed. I have that. Oh, bro. Where's my item? Guys, I think I got scammed. Where's the girl? Where is my item?
Insert cat.
Listen, I don't know why, but let's just explore, shall we? Let's see, we have cereals and crisps, and we have 4 biscuits and drinks, I guess, and we have nothing. Seasonal products, 2 sweets pizza. What do you say? What do you say? You said pizza? And we have number 1, dairy frozen. Now we have the stuff area, but we will explore after I get stuff. And we have Walmart HQ, and we have this one, Greg's. Now let's wait. Hold up. There's all pizzas. What's good? But where is it? This line, bro. I have to go to line. I have to go through Oh well. And this is just like this is Greg's. Yeah, Greg's. I don't know. Hammers. We have the bakery, but it's under construction. And we have the bathroom. Let's go to the boys. We have this, just fancy. Instead of toilet, just a toilet. I'm sitting on it. And I'm just gonna pee. And we have this thing. I forgot what is that thing. We use that on the shoppers and malls like that. And I don't know why that one like that. And now we will go to the girls' bathroom. Let's see what we have. It's just normal, but we don't that it just changes. But inside, nothing. Yeah, it just normal ones. And we have the old ones. And we have the old. Oh my god! And we have the old ones and some pictures, very good pictures. And we have the bathroom, and we have a toilet, and we have the sinks. In every girl's bathroom and boys bathroom. Yeah, so make sure to subscribe if you work us a Walmart and we're making this into a movie. It's gonna be like approved like that. Hey, where you going? Bro, why are you taking me? I will report it to you, developer. Wait, I'm kicked out? Bro, I'm a vlogger. Why you kick me out? Find this username. He will be banned for this. Help me. Wait, what? Enough. Ah! Ooh. Open door. Oh, guys, I'm stuck. What should we do? I'm stuck, bro. I don't do anything. What? Bro, this police needs work. Get a job, bro, from Washies.
Use pin pad to
Enough, bro.
complete transaction.
I'm resetting. Haha. Yep, I reset. I escaped. Now we will escape before that security guard is going back. And I got scammed. And Romart, please fix this game, bro. Just fix the game. Fix the game. Fix the game. Trust me, fix the game, developers. I just brought them, and later I didn't get any items. And later that girl left for nothing. Oh well, let's escape before that security guard goes now. Let's go leave. And we're making this into movie, so make sure like and subscribe. Okay guys, that is past 50 minutes now, so let's end here. And thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to DJ Vlogs. So goodbye, stay sweet, bye. I'm just going back to my home. I'm just going back to the shop and then complain about the security guard and the girl that scabbed me. I didn't get any items. So I'm gonna go to the store for just gonna get my grocery items, and I'm gonna complain to the manager. So goodbye, stay sweet, bye. I'm gonna go, okay? So goodbye.
Insert cash or
Okay guys, I'm just gonna go, okay? So I'm just gonna buy something, okay? So goodbye, stay sweet, bye.